I'm just going to show you the difference between iridium, platinum, and copper. This is iridium spark plugs, and this is platinum, and this is regular copper. This is very much an old model cars. You're gonna see them all over. They're very cheap. So the iridium and the platinum spark plugs are both high performance. These two here are high performance option compared to traditional copper. But they have some differences in their construction, performance, and characteristics. So just gonna go over a few things here. First thing, the material. So the primary difference between iridium and platinum, which are these two, very much it lies in the material used for the center electrode inside. So the iridium spark plugs have a center electrode made of iridium, very much. And a platinum also, it's a spark plugs that have the center electrode made out of a platinum. So that's why they call them platinum and iridium. So that very much as far as the material goes. Talking about the durability, iridium is one of the densest and most durable, which is this one right here. Most durable metal used in spark plugs. So iridium spark plugs typically last longer than platinum spark plugs. And the iridium tip can withstand higher temperature and erosion better than a platinum. So this will result in a longer lifespan. So this is as far as the durability between iridium and platinum. Performance. Both iridium and platinum spark plugs offer improved performance, of course, over copper plugs. So however, some argue that the iridium plugs very much provides slightly better performance due to their finer electrode tip, which can result in more precise and consistent spark. If you notice here, this is the iridium and this is the platinum. You could see this one is much finer, it's like a needle comparing to this. So this is very much the performance. Cost, of course, iridium is more expensive than a platinum and than copper. These cost more to build, so you expect to pay more for these just due to the cost of the iridium material. As far as application, platinum spark plugs are often recommended for vehicles with electronic distributor-based ignition system, while iridium spark plugs are commonly used on most newer cars, which they use a coil on a plug ignition system. So in summary, I'm going to summarize this. Both iridium and platinum spark plugs offer improved performance and longevity compared to copper plugs. And the iridium plugs are typically considered the top tier option due to their superior durability and performance characteristics. So you just have to pay more for them. They last longer and they perform much better than just regular platinum. Both work, but since this is very much a higher material, it's gonna perform much better. That's very much it for the these plugs for today. Thank you for watching.